The promise of Allah in Quran, وَمَنْ أَعْرَضَ عَنْ ذِكْرِي فَإِنَّ لَهُ مَعِيشَةً ضَنْكًا. Facts, basics. Who speaks the truth, Allah or Tupac? Nah, astaghfirullah, brother, what do you mean? Habibi, no, you be real. You be real. When Tupac is played and those beats are rolling and he's ripping out the lyrics, be real. The heart moves. Yeah, man. Yeah, brother. You see the way he put it to him? You see this, you see that. But when Allah speaks, it falls on deaf ears. You choose the life of Pharaoh, you have the fate of Pharaoh. How did our mate Tupac die, mashallah? How did he die? Allah will show you again and again. All those that stand and follow the path of Pharaoh, Allah destroys them, and destroys them by the thing that they take honor in. Has Allah not destroyed them again and again? And still we follow that path. What does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say? He says, whoever stays away from my deen, whoever stays away from my remembrance, whoever stays away from my path. Listen, my brothers, listen, facts. Whoever stays away from the deen of Allah, the promise of Allah, فَإِنَّ لَهُ مَعِيشَةً ضَنْكًا, for him is a miserable, wretched life. So yes, maybe to your eyes it appears, brother, look at his cars and look at his money and look at this and look at that. But don't you dare think that they're happy, man. Don't you dare think that they're happy. Wallahi, if I could just expose what I know. On the outside it has this awesome image, but on the inside it's filth and rubbish. Come and see. Come and see. And the young brothers, you know, we grow up and we start to strive for this. Yeah, man, that's the path I want, brother. You know what I mean? That's the path I want. That's the image I want. Why? Because, why? And you know what? We're all guilty with this. Wallahi, even myself, I'm guilty. You know why? Because the truth is, whether we admit it or not, especially the religious brothers, we love their life. We glorify their life. We talk more about their life in our own masjid than we do about the lives of the Sahaba and the Prophets. Well, it's just me and the boys. Did you hear? Did you see? Did you? Oh, that's all we do is we talk about them. What they bought and what they sold and what they drive. And then when we see the young brothers doing it, nah, that's not right, man. We love it. Wallahi, we love it. Because we glorify this life. Now our young brothers and our young sisters now, what is it that they want? They want that image. Why? Because that image brings respect. Because that image brings hectic cars. Because that image brings beautiful women, and it brings this and it brings that. But you don't see what else it brings also, my brother, my sister. And this is what's sad. We left the way of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We've left our wives. We've left our families. We've left our mothers and our fathers. We've sold anything and everything that's dear and valuable and that actually cares about us. We've sold it. We've sacrificed it. And we chose a life of people who by Allah, they care nothing about you, man.